Hey everyone, I am so excited to cook my favorite pasta recipe today. It's my go-to recipe which is super quick and of course it turns out into a delicious pasta. For this recipe, we need a packet of spaghetti. I'm using a gluten-free spaghetti. You could use any kind that you need. This is about 12 ounces. 300 grams of cherry tomatoes which are cut into halves. A couple of leaves of basil. Some sliced roasted almond which will be used for garnishing. 4 to 5 cloves of garlic which are finely chopped. Some black pepper to taste. I have 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes because I like more chilies. You can add it to your spice level. Of course, some olive oil. You could use any extra virgin olive oil that you like. To start with, take a big container, fill it with water, and we'll add 1 tablespoon of salt as it comes to a boil. As you can see, the water is almost at boiling. And now I'll add the spaghetti to this. Don't break the spaghetti, just add it as a whole. It'll sink in slowly and no need to add any oil at this stage. Let this boil and this will cook for 10 to 15 minutes until the spaghetti is almost 85% done. So while the spaghetti is boiling, let's prepare the sauce. Take a pan, heat it and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Once the oil is heated, keep it on a medium high and then add in the garlic and saute it for 3 to 4 minutes. As the garlic starts to roast, add in a few basil leaves so it can leave in the aroma and cook for another minute or so. Time to add the cherry tomato. Also add the salt at this point. You don't want too much because there is already some in the pasta. Give it a good mix and let it cook for another 10 minutes till the tomatoes become nice and mushy. As the tomatoes start to cook and leave some water, start pressing them a little, not too much, so it releases some juices that will add to the sauce. The tomatoes are almost done. At this stage, I will add the chili flakes and some black pepper powder. Give it a good mix. Now it's time to add the spaghetti. Don't strain the spaghetti. You just use some tongs to pull it out so it does carry some of its water that will add to the sauce. We just added the pasta and I'm also going to use some of the leftover pasta water and we will add this so the pasta doesn't stick together and it will add to the sauce. We need to cook this for another 10 minutes. Keep adding the pasta water as you like. Give it a nice gentle mix. The pasta is ready. As you can see, it's not sticking. It's the perfect texture. And now it's time to deplate it. Deplating is very essential too. After you're done drizzling the parmesan, just garnish it with basil leaves. Sprinkle in some olive oil and then just the roasted almonds. And ta-da, it is all ready to go. Hope you like the recipe. Please do like, share and subscribe and leave the feedback about how you like it. Thanks all.